using mobile phone. Okay.
Yes,
So
ma'am.
is it possible for you to split the screen for two applications?
No, ma'am. No.
Instead of splitting the screen, mobile screen.
रोटेट कर दो, फोन रोटेट कर दो.
No. Okay. Uh,
मैम ऐप डज नॉट सपोर्ट दिखा रहा है. तो
splitting screen. Okay.
हाँ, ऐप डज नॉट सपोर्ट दिखा रहा है.
Which app? Google.
हाँ मैम, गूगल मीट ही
Okay. Okay.
सपोर्ट नहीं कर रहा है स्प्लिटिंग स्क्रीन. बाकी व्हाट्सएप पे किया
Just a minute,
तो हो रहा है.
Okay. Okay. I'll just check once. Okay, I guess it is not allowed on the Google Meet. Anyways, we'll proceed. Actually, I created a quiz game for you, but for that you need to split your screen, but it is not allowed the Google Meet to split the screen. If you're having computer system, then it was possible. Anyways, we'll proceed without that. I'll share that game later on so you can play that game. Okay? So let's start with this. So programming basically, as someone said correctly, it's for algorithm, creation of algorithm, or maybe some set of instructions, right? Now, which programming languages we have done in FY in semester 1 and semester 2?
C or C++.
C and C++ programming
Yes.
languages.
Yes, ma'am.
So, in semester 3, we are going to learn the new programming language, that is the programming language. Any programming language that we consider, it consists of what? Can anyone tell? In general, what are the different features available with any programming language?
Syntax, variables.
Syntax, variable, okay, good. Then, anything else?
New ideas, ma'am.
New ideas for
Solving problem. For creating something new.
creating something new or solving problems, someone correctly said. Good. Okay, good. But now to write a program for any new idea or to solve the problem, what a programming language should have. It's correct that programming helps us to solve the problems or to do something new or to create something new. That new is new application. It can be a website, it can be a mobile app or whatever it is.
Yeah.
But then what it requires. As you said, syntax and variable.
Yes.
It's correct. So syntax for what? You have learned C, you have learned So what are the basic components that those programming language?
Variable.
Okay, first is variable, fine. Then only variables,
Data
only
type.
with the help of variables. Correct, data type, very good.
Keywords.
Next,
Function. Keywords.
keywords, functions, then
Syntax.
syntax. Correct, syntax is basically it's a grammar of any programming language. So that is required, that is mandatory. Some two important things are missing. Header, okay, fine. Two more, let me see who gives one. You have talked about variables, data types.
And ID.
Sorry?
ID मतलब Python program app. Python app जिसको code लिखेंगे.
Code लिखेंगे. Okay, no. I'm talking only about the structure components of programming language. तो कहाँ पे लिखना है editor में, कहाँ पे compile करना है, I'm not talking about that.
Okay. Main method.
हाँ, main method. Okay, fine. तो main method हो गया, variable हो गया, data type हो गया. I want to repeat something for some multiple times. Then what I require?
File allocation for
Loops.
running
Loops.
loops. Yes,
Loops, right? Looping statement. We require looping statements.
Yes.
And one more, what you missed in entire list?
Main function.
Okay, fine.
Array
Function
string.
भी हो गया बेटा. Array, string, main method, variable, data type, loop. Something else is required.
Class.
The student class. Okay, fine. Good. I want to take a
Objects.
decision. I want
Object.
to take a decision.
Ma'am, arguments.
Argument. Please listen to my question. How can I take the decision in programming? What I do? Huh?
If
If statement. Exactly. Right. So, for any programming language, few basic components or features. Now, everyone, please mute yourself because there is lot of background noise. Yeah. So, any programming language has the common or few basic or mandatory features or components like variables, data type, functions. It can be a user-defined or a built-in function, string, array, as you mentioned correctly, looping statements, and conditional statements, right? So same, our Python programming also it is having the similar features and some new features that will help us to design. Maybe the Python programming is widely used basically for machine learning and AI applications, right? So let's see how our syllabus is divided in 5 different units. You know that or all the subject, the syllabus is divided into 5 units, right? So let's see how your syllabus has been divided. The very first, that is your unit 1, it has introduction where it will be talk about some history of the Python features, how to install the Python, what are the various debugging techniques, and some theory. Okay, that is our very first initial part of unit 1. Okay, then it talks about, as you said, the very first component of any programming, that is variables and data types. So second part of unit 1, it talks about the different variables, operators, how to define the variables, what are the different types are data types. And third part, it will talk about all the conditional and looping statements. Right? What are control statement? Can anyone tell? You know conditional statements, you know loop statements.
Yes.
Can anyone tell what is control statement?
While, do, while, statement.
No, while, do, while is a looping statement, right? For, while, nested, while, do, while. These all are looping statements. If, else, nested if, everything is conditional. What about control statement? Someone said it correctly. I think it was Aman.
Ma'am, continue.
Continue. Break and continue. Right. So these are the control statements. You must have studied one more control statement in C
Break.
or C++.
Loop, ma'am.
लूप हो गया कंट्रोल स्टेटमेंट जैसे ब्रेक होता है कंटिन्यू होता है यू मस्ट हैव स्टडीड वन मोर
Statement.
हाँ
If.
इफ इज कंडीशनल इफ इज कंडीशनल
Go to.
go or else correct no for is the looping statement so in control statement there are three control statements that is break continue
Go to.
go in C programming language suppose go to okay while in Python will be break and continue that is terminating the loop and skipping from specific condition so this is our unit 1 right let us switch to next part what is there in the next part the next component that you said that is functions okay so in this part we are going to see what is function what are different built-in functions how to create the functions define functions recursions what is recursion
Function. Ma'am, repeating it. Repeating itself. Call करना.
repeating itself so function will call itself within its own definition so that is recursion very good
Recursion.
correct and then second part of unit 2 it talks about the strings how we enter the string how we can create the string on various string objects are there okay so we are going to study this in detail 2 then next part it talks about now this is something new which we have not studied in C or C++, right? You have studied actually with, as a arrays. You have studied arrays, right? In C or C++. So now instead of arrays, in Python we will be having lists, tuples, queries. Have you done file handling in C or C++?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
तो फाइल क्या है
Yes, ma'am.
न्यू
C++. हाँ, किया था.
very good okay the same way we will be able handle the file handling part and exceptions what are it
मैम अगर वो मतलब
Error calling.
error solving okay or finding errors and solving those good the next part is unit 4 the unit 4 it talks about something called as regular expression now I will not go in detail what is regular expression we'll see when the unit 4 will come okay now Python is sequential language like a C and it also supports the object-oriented features like C++. So in Unit 4, we are going to study all the object-oriented features that we have already studied. Right? Can anyone tell the features of object-oriented programming? और प्रिंसिपल्स ऑफ ऑब्जेक्ट ओरिएंटेड प्रोग्रामिंग
पिछला उपलब्ध से पुराना कंप्यूटर जो है
ऑब्जेक्ट क्लास डेटा इंकैप्सुलेशन इनहेरिटेंस इंकैप्सुलेशन डेटा एब्स्ट्रैक्शन
हमके ले जाके
Polymorphism.
हमके ले जाके चाहते हैं
पॉलीमॉर्फिज्म वेरी गुड
डेटा इंकैप्सुलेशन
लेती ना कैकुलम का थोड़ा भी पुराना
Data
रहेगा
encapsulation
कैकुलम का नया
network.
आएगा। तुरंत से आता कुछ फेंक दे या तो दे के कुछ देता है वैसे दिखाई का ना लेकिन देखना ना वापस और कहू के दे ही दे
Dynamic banding.
दिक्कत तो कटली है।
Unit 4.
Data access.
हाँ
Data abstraction.
गलियों कम नहीं
Correct.
बनेगा तब
Good. Anything else anyone would like to add? In object-oriented programming,
Friend function.
multi-thread programming and modules. Multi-threading is what knows the meaning of multi-threading. Yes. Anyone knows the meaning of multi-threading?
No.
No. Okay. Whenever you use your mobile or maybe computer,
उनके मुँह डाला ना होगा
yes,
कोई भी चीज को इजी करने के लिए,
कोई भी चीज को यूज करने के लिए,
टास्क को या कुछ भी हो।
ओके ठीक है, ये उसका एडवांटेज बोल सकते हैं. इट इज नॉट अ मल्टी-थ्रेडिंग. You use computers, you use mobile phones. Can you do multiple things simultaneously?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes or no? Yes. So how it is achieved? Basically, when you are doing multitasking, what we call as tasking is we are actually doing threading. We'll be creating multiple tasks. Task is a thread. Okay, you must have studied this concept in system.
Yes, ma'am.
Multitasking in operating system. So task here is called as thread. So when you want multiple tasks to be executed, we need to create the multiple threads. So that is called as multi-threading program.
Okay.
And modules. Modules means in C you have the header files, right? In the beginning of your program, you write hash include stdio.h. What is header? Why we write that? Why we write that statement? If I don't write, what will happen?
मैम कंप्यूटर को पता ही नहीं चलेगा कौन सी चीज कहाँ से लेनी है।
कौन सी चीज कहाँ से लेनी है? मतलब
लाइब्रेरी है।
हाँ, वो तरह की लाइब्रेरी है जहाँ से हम लोग लेते हैं डेटा।
वो लाइब्रेरी में क्या लेना है?
क्या लेना है? वो क्या?
मैम, built in फंक्शन होता है ना, built in फंक्शन को लेने के लिए।
Correct. It's a correct word. Built-in function or built-in methods, right? So in C,
Yes, ma'am.
you call it as a header files or library, right? So in function, we will be calling them as a module. So module is what? It's a set of functions. Okay, so there are various number of built-in modules available, or we can create our own modules. So that we are going to see in the unit 4. Understood the meaning of module? Libraries होते हैं. Yes, libraries, correct. It's libraries, set of libraries. Okay,
Yes.
and last, our unit 5, we are going to do the GUI. That is how we can have the desktop application and database connectivity. Okay, so these are the two parts we are going to. It's a huge unit actually. So we are going to see how to create the GUI, what are the different controls available, buttons, radio buttons, checkboxes, everything.
Okay.
And how we can the form. जैसे आप लोगों ने you must have created the forms in HTML, right? In FY,
Yes.
WP में forms create किए थे.
Yes.
Can we
Yes, ma'am.
must have done the database connectivity. Correct?
Yes, ma'am.
So same way here also we are going to study how to create those forms or the GUI, graphical user interface, and how we can connect it with the database and how we can perform the operations like inserting the new row, updating the data, deleting the data, and so on.
नीचे वाले में रखा संभाल के सांझे के याद को ले जाऊं
So this is about our syllabus.
हाँ यार आया था
So almost 8% syllabus you are aware or you have already done, right? What are loops, what are variables? So, so I don't need to teach that, right? The syllabus is over. 80% syllabus is over in the first lecture itself. हाँ हो गया ना? You know variable. What is variable? Next part is that only, that is I will talk about the reference book. Okay, but उससे पहले किसी को कुछ, चंदन अभी join हो रही है at 11:35. This is the very first lecture, so I am allowing the students. From the next lecture I will not allow.
मैम GUI में स्लाइडर भी आ गया. स्लाइडर. स्लाइडर हाँ वो GUI में आता है. नो.
What slider you are talking about? Check क्या?
मैम स्लाइडर मीन्स ब्लू कलर का बटन रहता है ना, ऑन ऑफ का स्विच टाइप. ब्लू कलर का बटन रहता है ना ऑन ऑफ करने के लिए. बोल मैम. स्विच क्या? स्विच केस. हाँ स्विच केस नहीं, स्विच का रेडियो बटन टाइप आता है ना, तो वो भी आ जाएगा GUI में. स्विच का रेडियो बटन ठीक है. नहीं स्विच होता है ना, स्विच ऑन ऑफ करने के लिए. ऑन ऑफ करने के लिए जो मोबाइल में जैसे होता है वो बोल रहे हो? चेक बॉक्स. हाँ check box. हाँ all these are the part of the GUI only. But अभी मोबाइल एप्लीकेशन होगा तो उसके जो कंट्रोल्स है वो थोड़े अलग रहेंगे. When it is a desktop, the components will be different, right? जैसे ऑन ऑफ बटन मोबाइल में होता है जो आप स्विच बोल रहे हो, ऐसा स्विच बटन लैपटॉप पे नहीं होता है, right? Yes. It is different. हाँ. So for the type of application, जो application आप बना रहे हो उसके हिसाब से the controls will be different, the set of controls. But of course it is a GUI. It's a part of GUI. Okay. मैं क्या पूछ रहा था, पाइथन से क्या क्या कर सकते हैं? पाइथन से क्या क्या कर सकते हैं ना वो अभी next part. Yeah, next part is that only. First we will see what are the reference books that you are going to refer.
Okay. In the Google Classroom, I will upload the ebooks also, the same reference books that what I am going to share with you right now. Okay. So you have to access your Google Classroom on a daily basis. What is happening in the classroom? Whatever e-content that we want to share with you, it will be shared only on the classroom, Google Classroom, not on the WhatsApp group. Please make a note of this. Are you getting this?
Yes.
You can put it in the chat box. अब yes no करना है तो fine. अभी anyone else? कुछ किसी को पूछना है till now कुछ? अभी तक we have not started the actual subject. Okay, I have just told you how the part, what different topics we are going to cover in our Python. Okay, in unit 5. Okay, so now I will tell you reference book. Everyone is saying, yes.
मैम हम लोग लेक्चर का टाइमिंग में शुरू करेंगे क्या नाम है?
All the lectures will be from 11 to 12:30. आपको टाइम टेबल मिला है राइट फॉर जुलाई?
मैम 12 मिनट टाइम नहीं है इसमें.
हाँ तो वही बोल रही हूँ, डेज और डेट्स एंड सब्जेक्ट आपको मिला है राइट? द टाइमिंग 12:40 for all the lectures. Okay? And 10 minutes before, maybe at 10:45 to 10:50 तक आपको लेक्चर का लिंक मिल जाएगा इन गूगल क्लासरूम as well as in your WhatsApp.
हेलो मैम. ओके.
Yes, Akhil. बोलो.
मेरी मम्मी को चक्कर आके गिर गई है. एक्सक्यूज मी, मैं जा रहा हूँ. मेरी मम्मी को चक्कर
अच्छा
आ
ओके. हाँ ओके. ठीक है. Shall we proceed with our reference books? Okay. Okay. Are you sitting with the notebook and pen, or just listening with the popcorns? Not the book, right? So please make sure, and it's online sessions. We don't know actually what you are doing, but please, it's a request that utilize your time and try to grasp as much as you can. Don't take it very lightly. Now you know the exam components, the previous exam components, how important it was, right? PCT का importance कितना था? Based on your PCT and semester 1 performance, you got the result of your semester 2.
Yes.
So please don't consider or don't take any semester lightly or any exam component lightly. जिसने भी PCT में अच्छे से perform किया होगा, semester 1 में जिसका performance अच्छा था, they have got the very good grades.
Yes.
Right? Those in the KTs in semester 1, they have got the result as NP, not processed, based on their number of KTs, right? So always there will not be a chance to improve because your syllabus or your this program is defined where you are having the aggregate or average of all the semesters. तो किसी भी एक सेमेस्टर में परफॉर्मेंस अगर आपका खराब जाता है, आपका ओवरऑल सेमेस्टर 6 के बाद जो रिजल्ट मिलेगा ना, इट विल अफेक्ट बैडली. Try to note down something, whatever you can do. Of course, we will share whatever PPTs that we are going to use, e-books, we will keep sharing. Okay? But from your side also, classroom में आप लोग notes बनाते हो खुद के. It's a request that please always for any lecture sit with the book and the pen and please keep noting down the important points.
Okay.
Are you getting my point?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Put yes in your chat box.
Yes.
Everyone, let's see who is attentive. Tera, Chintan, Ashish, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. अभी यस किसके लिए लिख रहे हैं सबको पता है? एक यस डाल रहे हैं, इसके लिए सब यस डाल रहे हैं.
Can you repeat?
What to repeat?
Roshan.
Roshan. Yes, Roshan. Please. Roshan,
Yes, ma'am.
Roshan is there.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. How are you? Good. Did you have the notebook and pen with you? Show your notebook. Show your notebook. Fast. अभी कहाँ जाओगे? ढूंढने जाओगे कपबोर्ड में? Show your notebooks. webcam के सामने notebook दो ऐसे. कहाँ पे है notebook? हाँ तो बोल दिया. अभी very good. Good. हाँ good good. Okay. See please, it's a request. Maggie. Chintan. How with you? Are you hungry? You're chatting with whom? गलती से यहाँ पे डाल दिया क्या मैसेज? See, we track everything, but don't think that we are not in front of.
Ma'am, I'm sorry.
ईयरफोन से टाइप हो रहा है. चिंता. ईयरफोन आपका मैगी में टाइप करता है. वाह. इंटेलिजेंट ईयरफोन. Good, good, good. Right. So the next part is reference books. The same reference book. What time? Before reference book, I will just talk about the practicals that we are going to cover. Please visit everyone.
Yes, ma'am.
Now, you see, I have not listed out the entire practical list because under each component there are practical programs. Okay, so I just headers मैंने डाले हैं यहाँ पे. So it consists of program, basic program, that is unit 1, then unit functions and strings, that is your unit number 2. Then you are having lists of dictionaries, that is unit number 3. Then handling है object oriented concepts, modules and exception handling, GUI and database. So अभी मैंने ये there are actually total 10 practicals, but I have just combined in 8 practicals. Okay, and under each header we are having the different multiple programs. Maybe practicals we are having 5 to 6 programs and so on. Now let me know how many of you are using. I mean, you don't have the system at home because you are going to perform the practicals also at home, right?
Yes.
So just put no those who doesn't have the computer at home in the chat box, so I will come to know, or I will give you the solution to it in the or using mobile phone. Okay. Many. Fine. Okay. No problem. You don't have the computer, but still you are supposed to perform your practice. I will tell you how to do Python programs on mobile phone. Will you do it? If I explain you how to do it, right? Okay. So whatever practical session or whenever I will cover the specific program, you have to do it on mobile phone. Okay. Maybe it is not possible simultaneously during the lecture, but after the lecture you have to practice. Okay,
Yeah.
there are apps available on the Play Store. I will tell you one good app that will help you to perform the practical. Maybe not the advanced practical, but at least you will be able to perform majority of practicals on mobile phone, on Android device. Fine?
मैम डिकोडर है,
हाँ?
डिकोडर है,
क्या
एप्लीकेशन,
decoder?
एप्लीकेशन.
There are many applications available. अगर Play Store में आप डालोगे ना Python application, there are n number of applications available. आपको एक application मैं बताऊंगी which is very good and it used widely for mobile phones. Okay, so I request कि सब लोग एक ही platform use करोगे. It will be easy for you and me. मैं क्या explain कर रही हूँ आपको समझेगा.
Yes.
Other applications you can explore, no doubt. You can install it, you check what is the difference, how it works, which is good. Maybe you will find some more better application. That exploration part you can always do. Okay? But one application I will tell you how to use it and how you can perform the practicals using that application on mobile. Fine? There should not be the excuse that we don't have the computer system, we don't have the laboratory, so we are not performing. You have to perform. Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Sure.
क्या?
Okay. Next part is someone asked me about the reference books, right? Is the screen visible?
Yes, ma'am.
No? Please, everyone mute your mic. If you see your syllabus, okay, I will share the university syllabus also. You must be having already, but still in the Google Classroom, I will share the syllabus also. If you see, there are many other books available also, but these are the 3 books which are good, or I will give the priority to use these 3 books. That is, first is Think Python. The author is Alan Donny from the OA publication. Okay. Second is Introduction to Computer Science using Python 3. And third book is Muraj Python Programming. Okay. Please note this down. And out of these 3, 2 books I will be sharing in the Google Classroom. That is second and third. For which I
मैम
have
एक ही बुक
the
दिखाई दे रही
okay.
है. मैम एक ही
Think
बुक
Python,
दिखाई
I
दे
don't
रही
have the ebook. I will to serve it. I have the physical copy actually. Second and third, I will be sharing in the classroom. Okay. So these 2 books, reference books, you can use, and of course, apart from that, whatever PPTs that I am using for every lecture, those PPTs also I will be sharing with you all. Okay. So these are the 3 reference books we can use. Now next part is, now someone asked me कि Python का यूज क्या है और Python से क्या कर सकते हैं, right? Okay. Are you able to hear me?
बराबर है।
So Python, it's a high-level general purpose programming language. Okay, the latest version, there are various versions. That is Python 2.7, 2.3, many versions. The latest version of Python going, that is 3.8. Okay, so which is also known as Python 3 or Python 2. Fine, and it is widely used for web development, machine learning, data science, creating various softwares and so on. Okay. Widely, basically, Python is used for AI, that is machine learning, and data science, that is analysis purpose. अगर data science various courses available of data science, उसका syllabus देखा होगा. The two programming languages are there in the data science, that is Python and R. And these both programming language you are going to study in your SY. Python in semester 3 and R programming in semester 4. Okay, so these two are two languages. Currently, there is a huge demand in the market. So please take this Python programming subject as you can so if you are interested in programming, you can go for AI, data science and so on. That is the future, the current trend going on in the market or industry. Okay, it is very simple for beginners or maybe the experienced programmers like Java. Right? It is called as cross-platform programming. Cross-platform means what? Anyone knows? What does it mean? Cross-platform. Can anyone answer? Yes, Chandan. Chandan is there. Chandan.
अलग अलग ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम में यूज हो सकता है क्रॉस प्लेटफॉर्म मतलब.
Okay, very good. So cross-platform मतलब जरूरी नहीं कि it will be only on Windows only or only on some other option. It will be operate on different or multiple platforms. Okay, and the very feature of Python, it is free and open source. You don't need to go for buying the last version or you don't need to purchase it. It is available on the internet. Just free and open source. Now, what is the difference between free and open source? Anyone knows?
यूज कर सकते हो उसका बिना पैसे के.
It is totally free. So simply pay or you don't need to pay. What of the open source? It is
Open
the
is-
two modes they have.
डाउनलोड नहीं कर सकते हैं. फ्री में डाउनलोड कर सकते हैं और ओपन में डाउनलोड नहीं.
डाउनलोड नहीं कर सकते.
मैम बोथ आर सेम.
What is open source? Anyone?
कभी भी एक्सेस कर सकते हैं.
User interactive.
हो गया बैटरी निकाल के वापस लाना.
यस
नहीं रे कल पता नहीं क्या होता नहीं भाई कल के जैसा वापस हुआ तो वही
साबिन साबिन देखा
Yes, Mahendra sir, I'll be quiet.
ऐसे हम पुनः कहीं पूरी सोच करे पैसा भी देते हो टमाटर में बेहतर नहीं बिलाई गोभी पत्ता का मंगाए कहीं दिया है बासमती दे दिया हमसे पूछेला तो आपको नहीं देंगे हम तो मिला दे दिया उधर तो कहा ये सब रह गया
Mausi, are you there? Mausi? Mausi? Start your video. Unmute yourself.
माता था
महकत है
Am I audible to everyone? Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, where is Mausi? Is there or he left?
Yes, miss. Ma'am है.
Mausi is there?
Yes, miss. Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, please start your video.
मिस यहाँ पे बारिश हो रही है.
हाँ बारिश हो ना आप बारिश में खड़े हो क्या?
मिस मैं विंडो साइड पे बैठा हूँ और मेरी बहन भी ऑनलाइन क्लासेस में बैठी है तो मैं इसके लिए विंडो साइड पे बैठा हूँ. यहाँ पे बारिश आ रही है.
ओके नेटवर्क का इशू है.
हाँ मैम. क्यों खाली है बहुत.
ओके अच्छा हाउ आर यू?
No, fine.
गुड. सो आपको किस चीज का डर लग रहा है?
किसी को नो का ऑप्शन है ही नहीं मैम. समझ ही नहीं रहा आप क्या बोल रहे हैं. ऊपर तो सब यस यस कर रहे हैं और माइक का साउंड अलग आ रहा है.
अंकित प्लीज म्यूट योरसेल्फ. अंकित प्लीज म्यूट.
यस मैम.
हाँ मौसिन बोलो. व्हाट हैपेंड? आपको सुनाई दे रहा था व्हाटएवर वाज गोइंग ऑन?
सुनाई दे रहा था. मैं समझने की कोशिश कर रहे थे. पीछे से यस मैम नो मैम आ जाते तो वो भी नहीं समझ पाते. ये क्या समझना है.
समझ नहीं रहा था आपको. कुछ नहीं समझे आप इधर.
थोड़ा बहुत समझा है मैम. वही आपने जो पाइथन बोला ऑल ओवर मतलब एप्लीकेशन पे प्रोग्रामिंग होता है ओपन सोर्स वो समझ रहा था.
ओके ओके ओके. तो आपको डर किस चीज का लग रहा है? हाँ
कान में आवाज आती है एकदम डर जाती है. क्या शॉर्ट हो गया क्या है ये भाई. वही डर लग रहा है जब अचानक से आवाज आती है.
और दर्द क्यों होता है? यस यस बोलते हैं तो दर्द होता है कान में.
एयरफोन है ना मैम तो उसके लिए डायरेक्ट आवाज आती है और वॉल्यूम भी फुल है. आपका मैम आवाज आया है मगर
अच्छा डायरेक्ट आवाज है. अच्छा
there, ma'am.
No.
Yes.
No. I can find out whether he is there or not.
130, no one say stop pay, ma'am.
Top पे है ना? Noman. Unmute yourself, Noman.
Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening. Okay.
रोमान बर्थडे है क्या तेरा?
नहीं हुआ है अबे छोटे
Now
नहीं है
please start your video, Noman.
रोमान.
Yes, ma'am.
Start your video.
Yes, I have started my video, ma'am.
Good. How are you?
I am fine, ma'am. How are you?
Fine, fine. So you are listening or you are
Yes,
chatting?
No, I am listening, ma'am. No, no. I am listening. क्या
No,
झूठ बोल
not
रहा है?
listening.
Yes, ma'am.
Tell me the reference book name.
Reference book name, ma'am. You have tell 3 books.
Noman.
Ma'am, you have tell 3 books and you will give 2 books on work classroom, second and third. But I have not written their name.
नहीं सुना है.
Yes,
Okay,
ma'am.
good. You are attentive.
झूठ बोल रहा है.
Notebook pen है साथ में.
Yes, ma'am. What?
Notebook is there with you
Yes, ma'am.
or you are only listening? Notebook is
Yeah.
with you.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Show me what you have written.
Ma'am, still now nothing. You have
से लेके मैंने लिखा. Nothing to write. Okay. So I will not tell anything to write or I am not going to dictate any notes. Now it is your responsibility. When the lecture is going on, keep noting down the points, important
Okay.
points, whatever you feel. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Because it is difficult to dictate here. Okay? The way we used to do in the classroom, our traditional classroom. Okay? Fine. Anyone else would like
Hello.
to talk? Or shall I
Hello.
continue? Please mute yourself.
मैम पाइथन से वेबसाइट बनाई जा सकती है.
I could write yes and
पाइथन से वेबसाइट बनाई जा सकती है. Can we make website from Python?
Yes, it is you can do it, but for that you should be thorough with the Python language and all the web technologies. Because web applications can be created with the help of Python. Yes, it is possible.
तो मैम वैसे तो ये लैंग्वेज मेन हो गई क्योंकि वेबसाइट भी क्रिएट कर सकते हैं.
हाँ?
वैसे तो ये लैंग्वेज बहुत मेन हो गई. वेबसाइट और एप्लीकेशन भी क्रिएट कर सकते हैं.
Yes, we can create the website. There is some not able to share my screen. Just hold on. I think I lost the connection on this slide. What is open source? Is that you talked about what is free. Everyone knows the meaning of free, right? But I asked you, or I was talking about what is not about. Oh,
टिकट बनवाता होगी टिकट बनवाता नहीं आया नहीं आया तो क्या करूँ, ले लेंगे। हाँ हाँ, अब तो 701 में फोन करूँगा। अच्छा।
हेलो, मैं चाय पीने
अंदर हुआ
अरे गाइस सुनो ना, किसी को पता है क्या? मेरे मैसेज में बहुत मैसेज आ रहे हैं। अरे मेरे मैसेज में बहुत मैसेजेस आ रहे हैं कि आपकी लॉगिन ओटीपी ये है 9489 medlife.com से।
तू करोड़पति बन गया, किसी को बता मत यार, क्या है?
अरे वैसे नहीं रे, नेटमेट से आ रहे हैं, लेंसकार्ट से आ रहे हैं। मैंने कुछ किया नहीं तो भी अपने आप मैसेज आ रहे हैं कि आपका ओटीपी ये है।
मैसेज बॉम्ब कर।
अबे सब आशीष ने किया है, सब आशीष ने किया है, सब आशीष ने किया है। यार मैंने नहीं किया है। नहीं तो रोस्ट कर देगा। छोड़ दिया मैंने ये सब करना। मैं रोस्ट करता ही है। झूठ बोल बोल। तो ओटीपी शेयर मत कर देना फिर, मैं चुप क्या? ये तो गरीब हो जाएगा बेचारा, तेरा पैसा लूट जाएगा सब। धन्यवाद सर जी। अरे चेतन सर क्या डोमिनोज में से भी आ रहा है।
अरे भाई तू बोल रहा, तू करोड़पति बन गया, किसी को बता मत यार, क्या शॉट है तेरा भाई, क्या किरी मार रहा है यार।
बच्चे को तो कर शक्ल होने का एडमिशन की जमा करो चलता है। हम लोग का एडमिशन फी जमा कर दो। आशीष म्यूट कर दे भाई।
तेरे बैकग्राउंड में बहुत आवाज आ रही है।
अभी खाली है, कोई आवाज नहीं मेरे पे। ये बोलो मत कुछ रुक जाएगा।
Hello. Sorry, I got disconnected. Are you able to hear me?
Yes ma'am.
Okay. Yes, ma'am. So we stopped at open source. I made a statement, or there was a statement on the PowerPoint slide that Python is free and open source language. So anyone knows the meaning of open source language?
It is freely available. It is freely available.
Freely available. Okay, fine. So
मैम उसको कभी भी एक्सेस कर सकते हैं।
हाँ, okay.
मैम सब पाइथन यूज करेंगे तो कोई क्लेम नहीं आएगा हम पे, कोई क्लेम नहीं आएगा हम पे।
We can access
तो किसी तरह क्लेम।
Good. Okay. So
Ma'am, we can create our own code or we can create
मैम जिसका ओपन सोर्स पूरा ओपनली अवेलेबल रहता है,
yes, correct. So
लाइक बूटस्ट्रैप,
code
उसने कैसे बनाया कैसे नहीं वो सब
बनाया है, correct. That everything is available and you can maybe update. You give your own updates also.
And ma'am, it is under licensed.
Under licensed, correct. Good. So where it is widely used, it is used for web development, machine learning, data science, various software, desktop or other types of applications and so on. Okay? Now, as I said, sorry, please repeat your question. Okay.
मैम हैकर्स भी ये प्रेफर करते हैं ना पाइथन।
Now everywhere the Python is used. Many industries also. Okay. Now the very first, or whenever we start any programming language, C or C++ or Java, the very first thing that we do is we try to type or try to display something on the screen, and generally it is hello world, right? So how we can do with the Python? Okay. Now majority you are going to use your mobile phones, right? So I will tell you how to do it on the mobile phone, as well as I will tell you how to do on the computer also. If anyone is having the computer, then how you can do it.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. So I will show you both the options. So if you are having the computer system at home, you can better you use the computer system. Otherwise, you can go with the mobile option. Fine. So if you have the computer system, you can find out you can go to the Google and simply type Python. For example, here it is mentioned. Please note it down this URL to download and install the setup file for the Python. You will get the latest version, that is www.python.org downloads. Okay? Is the screen visible to everyone? Is the screen visible? Yes or no? Yes, ma'am. Okay. So please note this down the URL. Those who are having the computer system, you can you can download and install the setup file from this. Okay? It's the official for Python, that is www.python.org. Okay? Once you download and install the Python, you tell or command prompt of the Python something like this. Is my screen visible?
Yes, ma'am.
Is my screen visible?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Well, now please say yes or no, because I am not able to see your text.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. It is visible. Okay. Okay. So what this is? This is called as the console for Python. You see, you are having the command prompt, right? You are having the prompt. So same way, this is the Python. Everyone, please mute. Yeah. So this is our Python console, which is called as the Python shell. Can you read this? Here it is mentioned. The version that I am using is Python 3.7.4, and this console is called as the shell. Can you see this? Okay. Now I want to display hello or hello world or hello IT on the screen. So which command I will use? The function, the built-in function that we are going to use is the print function. Okay? Print, then you have to start with the parenthesis in double quotes since it's a string, right? So you have to put it in the double quotes. Hello, SYIT. Okay? And just print, enter. Now whatever you are seeing in this blue font, it is the output that is generated by this command print. Are you getting this? Yes, ma'am. समझ रहे हैं? Yes or
ma'am.
no?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Please put yes in your chat box
Ma'am.
if you are understanding. If you
मैम
are
पाइथन
having
ये वाला डाउनलोड करना है.
हाँ, अगर आपके पास कंप्यूटर सिस्टम है तो if you have copy somewhere and keep it. Using this link, please check the chat box. From this, you can download and install the Python. Okay? Are you getting this?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So
मैम
after
खाली डाउनलोड पे क्लिक करेंगे तो हो जाएगा ना?
हाँ, सिर्फ डाउनलोड का आपको ये बटन दिखेगा. जस्ट क्लिक ऑन द डाउनलोड. यू विल बी एबल टू डाउनलोड द सेटअप फाइल. और सेटअप फाइल डाउनलोड होने के बाद आपको इंस्टॉल करना है. इंस्टॉल करने सबको आता है, राइट?
यस मैम. मैं मोबाइल के लिए बताओ ना.
हाँ, मोबाइल के लिए बता रही हूँ बेटा. जस्ट अ मिनट. ये समझा आपको? बिकॉज ये जो कमांड सिखाऊंगी ना, ये दोनों के लिए सेम है, मोबाइल हो या कंप्यूटर है. आर यू गेटिंग?
यस मैम.
Okay, okay. So how to display something on the screen? Using print command. Okay? And since we have to display this hello SYLT, the string we have to enclose in the double quotes. Okay? And once you press enter, whatever you are seeing in this blue color, it's the output. Fine? Now I will tell you about the mobile phone which you are waiting for from so long. Is the screen visible? Put yes or no in the chat box.
Yes ma'am.
Okay, fine. Blur. Is it not visible? Blur है? Okay.
Yes ma'am. थोड़ा
So
blur है.
the application, is it visible?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes ma'am.
Okay. So for mobile or those who are going to do it on the Android device, that is your mobile phone, you have to search. Go to the Play Store and in the Play Store search for, I have put in the chat box also, QPython 3L. Okay. See, you will, it will appear something like this. Okay. Have you noted down the name of the application?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes,
So
ma'am.
what is the name of the application? It is QPython 3. Of course, there are many available for this, but you can use this, which is widely used. Thank you, Ghanshyam, for putting the link for application download. Okay. Fine. So once you install this, okay, it will give you the screen something like this, okay, and below that you can see, the various options like console, editor, MyPython. Console is what? What is console?
Greater than sign.
Please answer, what is console?
जिधर आउटपुट आता है. आउटपुट.
जहाँ पे आउटपुट आता है, करेक्ट. सो दिस इज द कंसोल, राइट? तो ऐसे ही टाइप का कंसोल यू विल बी एबल टू सी इन योर मोबाइल फोन आल्सो. आर यू गेटिंग?
जहाँ पे आउटपुट आता है.
हाँ, जहाँ पे आउटपुट आता है, ये जो शेल है ना, इसको कंसोल बोलते हैं. ओके. सो ये जो कंसोल अभी कंप्यूटर स्क्रीन पे या लैपटॉप पे दिख रहा है ना, व्हेन यू क्लिक ऑन दिस कंसोल ऑप्शन, यहाँ पे जो कंसोल का दिख रहा है ना ऑप्शन, ये क्लिक करोगे
वो आज बाद में आएगा.
हाँ,
एक पढ़ लो.
Aman, please mute yourself. ये कंसोल पे जाओगे ना, so you will be able to see the console where you can type the command and you can give the commands and you can get the output, right? Next is editor. Editor is what? What is editor? What is editor?
कितना बिल है?
Are you listening?
मैम जो कोई भी चीज एडिट कर सकते
जिस पे प्रोग्राम लिखते हैं.
हाँ, जिसमें प्रोग्राम लिख के हम सेव कर सकते हैं, दैट इज द एडिटर, राइट? सो if you want to save your program, whatever the program or set of instructions you have written, अगर आपको वैसे करना है, so you can go to this editor and editor will look something like this. File, new file, the editor, not this, sorry.
पैसे भी तो है, देने में नहीं कहेगा, कितना? 470. 870.
Just a minute.
मैम सेव एस से होगा सेव.
So you will be able to write the files and you can save it. Okay, so this is the editor for the Python. Okay, so let's not proceed further. अगर आपको अभी कुछ डाउट है तो पूछो. उससे पहले हाँ पूछो. स्टार्ट.
मैम मैं क्या बोल रहा था कि जैसे फाइल का पीछे का फाइल जब हम सेव करेंगे तो .php C++ में
correct.
Extension.
तो इसमें क्या आएगा फाइल का?
Extension is .py. The extension of the file is .py. For Python, the extension is py. py is for Python.
मैम अगर नहीं भी डालेंगे तो भी चलता है ना.
नहीं भी डालेंगे console. See, when you are using the Python editor, it will not ask you. By default, it will save with the extension py. Okay? You don't need to worry. You just have to tell your computer system where you want to store it. It will be automatically saved as .py file. Are you getting this? Okay. अभी ये जो है ना फाइल कैसे बनाना है, everything I will tell you. Now it is already 12:30 or 35, I guess. It's 12:20, almost 12:36. Okay. So let's not continue with how to create the files because it will take more time. Okay. So we'll continue how to create the new file, how to save the file, how to run it, how to debug everything in the next lecture. Are you getting this? मैंने सिर्फ आपको, since we have to simultaneously do programming also because there will not be a separate practical session जैसे हम लोग lab में करते थे, right? So that is the reason in the very first lecture I have given you two options. One is for computer system and one is for mobile. So today what is your job? What you will do today? You have
To install Python.
this either on to install Python either on Android device or on your computer system, whatever is available at home. Getting this?
जो मैम जो आउटपुट की स्क्रीन रहती है वही कंसोल होता है.
हाँ, जो आउटपुट की स्क्रीन रहती है ना वही कंसोल होता है, जो कि ये स्क्रीन है. ये दिखाई दे रही है स्क्रीन आपको? हाँ, ये ऊपर क्या लिखा है? अभी ये जो कंसोल होता है ना उसको शेल बोलते हैं. पाइथन में क्या बोलते हैं? शेल बोलते हैं. ठीक है, ये आगे थियरी का पार्ट है. आई विल एक्सप्लेन यू शेल क्या होता है एंड एवरीथिंग. ओके, सो दिस इज आवर कंसोल. जैसे कमांड प्रॉम्प्ट में हम लोग को कंसोल दिखता है वेयर यू कैन टाइप. ओके, सो यहाँ पे यू कैन गिव द कमांड. कमांड जैसे ही देते हो, अगर सिंटैक्स राइट है, यू कैन सी द कलर हैज चेंज्ड. आर यू गेटिंग?
यस मैम.
अगर स्प्रिंग है तो ग्रीन में दिखेगा. And if entire command is right, it will give you the output. If you have made some mistake, yes, string
सिंगल कोड पे भी स्ट्रिंग और
single core में भी लेता है. Yes, Python accept in either double core or single core both. Okay, but either single or double, it will give me the error. What error it is giving? Name ABC is not defined. Means ABC को उसने variable consider किया जो हम लोगों ने अभी तक declare नहीं किया है. Are you getting? समझ रहे हैं? So string कैसे display करना है? Either double quotes or single. Okay? But quotes are mandatory if it is a string. If you want to display any string. अगर आपने वेरिएबल डिफाइन किया है, फॉर एग्जांपल जस्ट फॉर, अगर आपको एक का वैल्यू प्रिंट करना है तो ये ऐसे दिखेगा. गेटिंग?
Yes, ma'am. Without underscore.
Understood what I done? Variable will not come in the double quotes. अगर वेरिएबल को डबल कोट्स में डालोगे तो क्या करेगा? It will display A and not N. Can you see the difference? Are you able to see the difference between the different statements?
हेलो, हाँ सर बोलिए. हाँ ठीक है सर, मैं लेके आता हूँ. ठीक है, वहाँ का नंबर. हाँ. हाँ कोटक, हाँ कोटक पता है. ठीक है सर. हाँ हाँ सर. ठीक है सर. अभी जाऊँ? हाँ छाता है और रेनकोट भी है. हाँ सर.
Getting this?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. If I do double quotes, if I enclose small a in the double quotes, what it will do? It is not an error because it is syntactically correct. So it has displayed small a and not the value. Okay. So variable का value display करना है. Don't use the double quotes. Getting this?
Yes, ma'am. First you have to declare the variable and then.
Yes, students, are you getting what I tried to explain you?
Yes, ma'am.
What I have demonstrated you?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am. Yes,
So
ma'am.
let us stop for the day. Okay. Let's not overload everything on the very first day. Fine. So one thing you have to do today, that is find out the Python application either for your mobile phone or for your computer system and install it and keep it ready. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, fine. किसी को डाउट है, कुछ पूछना है? Anything else you want to ask or say something?
मैम एप्लीकेशन भी ऐसे ही बनाया जाता है. हेलो.
हाँ, yes. हम लोग जैसे जैसे करेंगे ना बेटा, धीरे धीरे we will tell you. In the next lecture, I will tell you how to create the Python file, py file using editor, how to save it and everything. Okay?
मैम अप्लाइड मैथमेटिक्स और मोबाइल प्रोग्रामिंग दोनों सेम है.
नहीं, applied mathematics it's a mathematics math subject जिसका practical component में हम लोग सीखेंगे मोबाइल प्रोग्रामिंग. जैसे लास्ट ईयर आपको डिस्क्रीट मैथ्स था, बराबर? हाँ, NSM था, बट दोनों के प्रैक्टिकल्स क्या थे? मैथ्स के प्रैक्टिकल्स, मैथ्स की प्रॉब्लम्स आप लोग साइलैब में सॉल्व करते थे, राइट? हाँ. सो बट अभी ये जो आपका अप्लाइड मैथ्स है
प्रैक्टिकल है.
हाँ, वो प्रैक्टिकल कंपोनेंट है जिसमें हम लोग और एक प्रोग्रामिंग लैंग्वेज या टाइप ऑफ प्रोग्रामिंग एप्लीकेशन, मोबाइल एप्लीकेशंस कैसे बनते हैं वो सीखेंगे. हाँ,
मैथ्स कौन
एनी अदर डाउट? क्या? सॉरी,
मैथ्स कौन लेगा हम लोग का?
अच्छा, मैथ्स के लिए फैकल्टी इट्स नॉट येट फिक्स्ड. ओके, वी विल start the maths lecture very soon. By the time whatever 3-4 subjects we have started, we will continue with that. Fine. Ashish or Tahira, yeah, one of you please note down the attendance. There are 46 students. I have already listed. I am having your attendance.
Yes,
file with me. Yeah. Yeah. I'm already having the attendance sheet with me also. You have saw this attendance, right? This is your today's attendance. Don't be under impression that I'm lying. I'm having your attendance. किसने login कब किया, कौन कितने duration तक lecture में बैठा था, everything I'm having. मुस्कान ठाकुर, who is this मुस्कान ठाकुर? कौन लिंक शेयर कर रहा है ग्रुप के बाहर? Okay. Fine. Anything else you
मैम
would like
तो
to?
जो गलती से बाहर चला गया रहेगा तो उसका भी आपको टाइम दिख जाएगा.
हाँ, everything I am tracking. Everything is there with me.
मैम मेरा प्रेजेंट ही लगा.
हाँ,
मेरा प्रेजेंट ही लगा मैम. मैं चला गया था ना जरा, मम्मी को चक्कर आ गया था.
how is your mom now?
नाउ शी इज फाइन.
Okay.
होना सर
Fine. हाँ, सब अटेंडेंस के लिए करते. कौन था वो? रोशन. देखो, गुड. ओके. एनीथिंग एल्स? यस, रोनित, लोकेश, अमिता, ऋतिक.
मैम मेरा रोल नंबर चेंज करना भूल गया.
हाँ, and everyone.
नए स्टूडेंट है अमिता, रुपेश.
Yes, they are all my favorite students. You have to help them. Yes.
शुक्रिया.
समझ रहा था आपको क्या चल रहा था in today's session?
हाँ मैम.
लोकेश, या
हाँ मैं जरूर हूँ मैम.
ऋतिक. हाँ, okay, good.
Yes, ma'am.
Good. Fine. So now,
जब क्लास
everyone
साथ में रहेगी.
yes.
जब क्लास कॉलेज चलेगी तो साथ में रहेगी अपनी क्लास में.
हाँ, सब आपके साथ में ही रहेंगे, आपके क्लास में रहेंगे. All are good students. Okay.
Ma'am,
Yes, अमिता.
एक्चुअली ऑफिशियल ग्रुप में हम लोग को ऐड कर दो. जो भी नोटिस वगैरह रहते हैं ना, वो हम लोग को जल्दी मिलते नहीं है.
Okay. I will look into that.
मैम आप जो गूगल क्लासरूम पे जो कंटेंट डालोगे उसका भी.
हाँ, yes. Okay. Fine. We'll see into that. Okay. Fine. Any others from your group? क्या आप 4 लोग ही हो? कोई और भी है?
हाँ मैं ऋतिक, लोकेश और अमिता ही है.
4
लोग ही है मैम.
Okay. Fine. No problem. Fine. So today, I'm just ending the session. Today, what you are supposed to do it, make sure that you will be downloading and installing the Python, okay, on your mobile device or maybe on your computer system. Is this fine with you all?
Yes, ma'am. इंस्टॉल है.
मैम डाउट है.
Okay.
हाँ मैम.
क्या बोलो चैत्य?
अरे मैम मैं क्या पूछ रहा था, फीस कब तक भरना है?
Fees का ना, please students, about regarding fees, please talk either with the office staff or with your mentor on one-to-one basis, mentor, coordinator और vice principal. ठीक है, आपको वो 1-to-1 queries solve करने पड़ेंगे आपके. You have to communicate with that hierarchy. Your mentor is Sanjana ma'am, right?
Yes मैम.
हाँ, okay. So यहाँ पे से during the lecture all these queries I won't be able to solve. Better you talk on a one-to-one basis because every case is different. Everyone is having different problems or issues, right? So
Yeah.
इसको भी जो problem है, we are to help you out, but communicate in a one-to-one personal basis. Okay?
और मैम रिजल्ट
रिजल्ट आ चुका ना
Fine. Chalo.
वैसे नहीं फिजिकली
So let's stop. Huh?
नहीं मैं अमन को बोल रहा हूँ
Okay, everyone. Okay, everyone, please leave the classroom. Everyone,
थैंक यू मैम
because हम लोग यहाँ पे चिट चैट करते बैठते हो. I know that.
थैंक यू मैम
Yeah, thank you everyone. Take care.
Thank you, ma'am.
Yes, bye everyone.
थैंक यू मैम
चलो, leave everyone.
बाय मैम
Bye bye.
पहले फोन करें इससे बात करावन अरे करो सेशन में फोन लगा मैंने 1701 की लगा 1701 हाँ 1701 तू दूसरे में ज्वाइन हो जब फिगर करना चाहिए मुझे पता फोन लगाने दो एक मिनट रुको हटा मेरा ये बात कर लो हाँ भाई क्या है पार्सल क्या है इसका क्या है सामान बता दो कौन सा कंपनी से है मॉडर्न कोरियर से कोई स्ट्रॉबेरी का कुछ प्रोडक्ट आया है वरुण ट्रेडर से बोलना वरुण ट्रेडर से
Rohit and Ashish, what are you doing?
अरे जा शुरू कर ला मैसेज वाटर हैं ना हो कहू
ठीक है टावर का वो भी रखी 701 तो नहीं